Hello there. Welcome to Achievers Eden in grade 7 class with me, your teacher, Mr. Booster. In this mathematics video, we're going to discuss on sets. A set is a collection of well-defined elements. Let's take a look at the questions. Look at the sets below. So we've got two sets here. We've got set A and set B. These sets, they are having letters of the alphabet. Then the questions are as follows. List A union B. So this symbol, the one that looks like a U, it is a symbol for union. So when they ask us to list A union B, what do they want us to do? So A union B, they want you to put together the elements that are in A and the elements that are in set B. When we combine the two sets, we're saying we have formed a union set. So A union B is equal to, so we've got P, we've got Q, U, R, and S. We have formed a union set of A and B. So the elements that are in A and the elements that are in B, when we put them together, we have formed a union set. So whenever you come across a question asking you to list the union set with the symbol U, they are asking you to put together the elements that are in the given sets. The other one, they are saying A intersection B. So this symbol that looks like small letter N symbolizes intersection. What are we supposed to do when we are asked to list the intersection? A intersection B. They want elements that are common, or they want you to identify elements that are being shared by A and B. Let's take a look at our diagram. Is Q shared with B? No. Set A we've got P. In set B we don't have P. In set B we've got R. In set A we don't have. In set B we've got S. In set A we don't have. So these are not forming the intersection. But U, we're saying that the U is being shared by A and B. So that the U forms the union set of A and B. We're saying U is being shared by A and B. U is common in both sets. Let's take a look at the next example. Given that set X is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and set Y is equal to 1, 5, 7, and 8. List X intersection Y. We said this symbolizes intersection, elements that are being shared. So what elements are being shared? In X we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and in Y we've got 1, 5, 7, 8. So the first element that is common, I have identified 5 there, is 5 there. So 5, apart from 5, we're saying there is 7 there, there is 7 there. So do we have any elements apart from these that are being shared? No. So 5 and 7, they form the intersection. They are being shared by X and Y. Let's take a look at the next example. List X union Y. What do they want us to do? They want us to put together the elements that are in X and the elements that are in Y. When listing, we are not supposed to repeat an element. Are we together? So let's start. Which one is the first? Let's say we've got 1, we've got 1, we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We know that 5 is coming to us. There's 5 in set X and set 5 in set Y. We are supposed just to write 1, 5. We know that there's 7 and there is 7 there. What are we supposed to do? Just write 1, 7. Then we have listed the elements that are forming the union set. So in this video, I believe you've understood about the intersection set and the union set. That's it for me. God bless.